Hi guys, this is part 2 of my video. We're gonna kind of go over some imperfections, cosmetically, go over every little thing for you so you can kind of get an idea of what you're looking at. Let's get right into it. So we got a little bit of surface along there, very minimal as you can see. Back bumper looks good. There's a small little dent right there. We'll look at the top too. Small dent right here. There's a little bit of paint peeling, as you can see. And this is probably like the worst, I guess, of everything. So you got paint peeling right here. I don't even actually want to touch it, but so if you're thinking about repainting this, or even if you care at all, overall it looks great. It's not too noticeable at all. And we'll take a look at the frame too. Frame looks awesome. I'll get the front end here. Again, I'll put everything that we've done to it down in the description below so it's easier, but just kind of wanted to give you a view of everything underneath here. Really clean. Take a look at the back side. Looks awesome. Any questions you have for me, just put it in the comments below. This is going to be our first our first 4runner for this week, and then next week we've got hopefully another one coming for you. It's pretty special. It's a 22 RTE that will show you kind of like the progress on and things like that. We just love these first gens. Come see me in Boise, Idaho if you want to check it out too, or check out our site localwheeler.com. Thanks guys.